Welcome to your immune boosting meditation. Choose if you wish to be seated upright with a long spine and relaxed neck and shoulders, or if you choose to lay down, relax your whole body and rest into the earth. If you need an eye mask or an eye pillow, cover your eyes. Start to take your awareness all the way down into your abdomen, observing how you're breathing. If there are any parts of the body holding on, allow the parts of the body that are holding to simply melt and let go. Notice the inside of your stomach, allowing your stomach to expand, diaphragm to expand as you inhale. Allow yourself to drop deeper into this relaxation as you exhale. Imagine you're drawing in peace, love, serenity, and you're exhaling any worry, any tension, any fear. Inhale, peace, love, harmony. Exhale any anxiety, worry, or fear. And every time you inhale, imagine you're inhaling a silvery light, like the color of a full moonbeam. And imagine when you're exhaling any darkness. And the more you slowly breathe in that silvery light, it expands you a little more. And every time you exhale, a little fear, a little worry, a little anxiety, a little more of the darkness leaves. Keep witnessing your own breath in, almost ballooning out your diaphragm, and maybe a little pause at the top, and then a complete exhale out of everything you don't need that doesn't serve you. Feel that peacefulness originating right there in your stomach lining. Millions of nerve endings in your stomach lining, moving away from fight and flight and feeling deeply into a relaxed state, into this homeostasis. Feel your brain moving into this theta state, where all feels malleable and soft and well. Feel your whole body relaxing and your whole immune system coming into this state of complete calm and presence, where there is nothing but the present moment and your breath here and now. Keep allowing this silvery light to flood inside your whole body and exhaling all the worries out of your body. Following your inhale and your exhale. Feel that energy expanding and growing inside you. And now imagine a golden cloud of light, like sunshine around your whole body, as if you're laying on the beach, soaking in the sunshine rays on your skin and absorbing that vitamin D into your skin in every single pore. Feel the warmth of those golden rays on your skin and allow that to warm the outside of your skin and boost the energy of your whole body. Silvery moonlight moving on the inside of your being, golden sun rays on the outside, boosting your whole energy of your whole body. Allow this to dwell inside you and outside of your skin, and eventually the inner and the outer are merging together in silver and gold light, silver from the moon, gold from the sun, soothing you and energizing you all at the same time. Absorb this right into your cells and right into the nucleus of every single cell in your whole body. Feel this in your whole body. Feel it expanding from the inside out and from the outside in until your whole auric field is mixed with this silver and gold of the sun and the moon, balanced in your whole body.